a 5 or 10 centimeter mulch layer in a very small area. Conserve water. The mulch layer helps to improve the amount of water available in the soil. Mulch prevents evaporation and reduces runoff of water during heavy storms. Bananas require a lot of water, 1,500 millimeters per year. So, when rainfall is low, like in much of central, south, and southwest Uganda, east and central Rwanda, and Burundi, then mulch is particularly important. Reduce erosion. Soil erosion is prevented and so the rich topsoil is not lost. This is very important since most of the plant nutrients are stored in the rich topsoil. Suppress weeds. Mulch also helps to suppress weeds. Weeds negatively affect plant growth because they compete for water and nutrients with banana plants. The reduction of weed pressure through mulching helps reduce the amount of labor you have to spend on weeding. Keep banana roots intact. Banana roots do not go deep. Most banana roots can be found in the top 30 centimeters of the soil. When you till the soil, the hoe will cut most banana roots in the process, thereby severely damaging the root system. Zero tillage is a practice where no tillage is done in the plantation. Zero tillage keeps the banana roots intact, which helps improve the ability of the plant to take up nutrients and water. As seen earlier, mulching reduces the weed pressure and so minimizes the need of using a hoe in the banana plantation. So mulching and zero tillage work together by increasing organic matter in the soil and minimizing soil disturbance. This improves the soil